Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word to PDF file on iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do, as perhaps you need to go and submit it somewhere and it needs to be a PDF. To do this, you don't need any extra apps. As well, you can do it easily on your phone. I'll show you the trick. So what you need to do is go and find the Word document. In my case it's in the File app, as you can see. What you need to do is go and open it just like so. As you can see, it's a test Word file. After that, you need to go to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the share button. Then what you need to do is scroll down and find the option for print. Don't worry, we're not going to print it. Just click on it, go to the top right and click onto the share button again. And as you can see, it's a PDF document now. So that's it. That is how to convert Word to PDF file on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.